How to enable dark mode on Ring app. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can enable dark mode on your Ring application. For that, open your Ring application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this interface of your Ring application, here on this page at the left top, you will see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to access more menu. Within the menu, scroll down to the very end and there you will see display option. Click on display option here and you will be redirected to this page from where you can enable dark mode on your application. Here you can see currently it is auto mode on. Now from here select dark mode, then you can see the seamless transition of your dark mode. Scroll down and again you can select the dark mode style here. Make it extra dark or keep it standard. Choose what you want. Dark mode helps to reduce eye strain and also save power on your screen. So in this way you can enable dark mode on your Ring application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.